yet? Like,
That is so hot. I want it.
Alright, I'm trying to show him, breaking them down.
Bite another one.
Oh, these things are like freaking
Metal?
Oh yeah, I swallowed them. Woo! Woo! Yeah, swallowed. Okay, how many more do I have? 3? Okay.
What a noob.
Okay, I'm done. Done.
Yay.
Wanna watch me eat a cupcake now?
Mhm.
You got it right? You gotta lick off the icing. Gotta get the creaminess away from the cupcake, you know what I'm saying, Lauren?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you peel back the wrapper. You know, you always want to use protection when you're eating a cupcake. Alright, now you're going to take your first big, juicy bite. Ready? I'm going to get it as big as I can get it.
Sprinkles inside, watch out. I'm just kidding.
That's like half a cupcake right there.
So I guess the difference between you and your sister is you don't have a gag reflex. Don't know your sister yesterday.
We were in Carvel and she was like, I forgot, I was like, oh, Brittany, suck a dick. And she's like, no, I don't really like to do that. I have really bad gag reflexes. And this guy just like walked away to the door. It was really funny. Oh, yep, family fighting on tape. Awesome.
Okay, yeah, so no matter how many bites it will take me to get to the center of the cupcake.
What is this, a fucking lollipop?
Ready?
Are you human? She ate this thing in 3 bites. You're shitting on my bed. Appreciate it if you did otherwise. I'm glad this is on tape. Like, I'm really happy. I'm gonna show this to every person in the world.
I swallowed it.
Yeah, I'm glad.
I'm not a spitter.
Good to know.
This is useful information to you, Lauren, right?
Ha! Yeah, I don't spit. Don't worry.
Just give it back.
I was only to the one douchebag.
And the cupcake is gone.
Dun dun dun. Okay, bye.